Digraph the. Digraph the. The is made of two letters, that is letter T and letter H. When they are put together, they make a common sound, that is the. The. Okay. To our first picture, we have the picture of a thumb. The word thumb starts with digraph the, 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 thumb. To our next picture, we have the word thorn. And the word thorn starts with digraph the, on, the, on, thorn. We go to our next picture. We have a picture of a moth, and the word moth starts with mo, which says mo, and then digraph the, moth, moth, moth. Then we have the word thunder. Thunder starts with digraph the, thunder. We also have another picture here of a thief. The word thief starts with the, thief, thief. We continue learning more about digraph, where we are going to read these words out. The, ik, the, ik, thick, the, at, that, the, in, thin, the, is, this, the, path, the, bath. Good job. We have an exercise down here where you're going to take your notebook, write down these words, and use the digraph the in the blank spaces. Fill in using the digraph the. After filling in, read those words aloud. That's all for now. See you in the next lesson.